Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to convert notes to PDF on iPhone. So if you created notes using some important informations and you want to convert the note to PDF, here's how you can easily do it. First of all, go ahead and launch the Notes app on your iPhone and open the specific note. Now tap on the share icon and here tap on print. Now tap on the share at the top right, and as you can see already my notes converted to PDF. Here we can see the PDF document. Now it's time to save this PDF on our Files app. So here tap on Save to Files and you can select a different folder to save the PDF. I'm selecting this folder and tapping on Save, and that's it. Now to find your PDF, go to your Files app and go to the folder, and here you will see the Note PDF. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.